Japan's naval history is a tale of transformation. From the ashes of World War II, where its once mighty Imperial Japanese Navy lay shattered, to becoming one of the most advanced maritime forces in the world, Japan's journey reflects resilience, strategy, and adaptation to global security challenges. During World War II, the Imperial Japanese Navy, IJN, was among the most formidable forces in the world. With its massive battleships like the Yamato and its expertise in naval aviation, Japan posed a significant threat to Allied forces. However, the tides turned after pivotal battles such as Midway and Leyte Gulf. By the end of the war in 1945, the IJN was effectively annihilated. The Treaty of San Francisco in 1951 further restricted Japan's military capabilities, mandating a pacifist constitution and prohibiting Japan from maintaining a traditional navy. Amid the post-war rebuilding era, global tensions shifted due to the onset of the Cold War. The Korean War in 1950 highlighted the importance of regional security in East Asia. The United States, realizing Japan's strategic location, encouraged the country to rearm, albeit within the constraints of a defensive force. Thus, in 1954, the Japan Maritime Self-Defense Force, JMSDF, was officially established. Unlike the aggressive posture of the IJN, the JMSDF was designed purely for defensive purposes. Initially equipped with older vessels provided by the US, the JMSDF started modestly. Its primary roles included coastal defense, mine-clearing operations, and safeguarding Japan's vital sea lanes. The Cold War period was a turning point for the JMSDF. Japan's maritime force grew in both size and capability as the nation sought to protect its waters from potential Soviet incursions. With the Soviet Union's Pacific Fleet becoming increasingly active, Japan needed a reliable maritime force to maintain regional stability. Throughout the 1960s and 1970s, Japan invested heavily in anti-submarine warfare, ASW, recognizing the Soviet threat of submarines patrolling the Pacific. The JMSDF introduced destroyers equipped with advanced sonar systems and partnered with the US Navy for joint exercises and technological exchanges. By the late 20th century, Japan's emphasis on ASW made it one of the most capable navies in this domain. With the Cold War's end in 1991, the JMSDF faced new challenges. The emergence of China as a regional power, North Korea's unpredictable behavior, and piracy in international waters required Japan to adapt its maritime strategy. The JMSDF evolved from a purely defensive force into one that could contribute to international peacekeeping and regional security. Key milestones in this era include the development of advanced Aegis-equipped destroyers like the Kongo-class and Atago-class, capable of missile defense. These ships symbolize Japan's technological prowess and commitment to protecting its airspace and waters from ballistic missile threats, particularly from North Korea. One of the JMSDF's defining features in modern times is its collaboration with allied nations. Japan has deepened its partnership with the United States, which maintains military bases in Japan under the US-Japan Security Treaty. JMSDF ships frequently participate in joint drills with US forces, enhancing interoperability and readiness. Japan has also expanded its maritime cooperation with other nations, including Australia, India, and the United Kingdom, through initiatives like the Quad Alliance. These partnerships aim to ensure a free and open Indo-Pacific, countering challenges such as China's territorial claims in the South China Sea. In recent years, the JMSDF has introduced some of the most sophisticated ships and submarines in the world. The Izumo-class helicopter carriers, for example, are a testament to Japan's advanced shipbuilding capabilities. Originally designed for helicopters, these ships are now being retrofitted to operate F-35B fighter jets, giving Japan a significant boost in air power at sea. Additionally, Japan's submarine fleet, particularly the Soyuz class and its successor, the Tiger class, features cutting-edge technology like lithium-ion batteries for extended underwater endurance. These submarines are among the quietest in the world, making them ideal for stealth operations. Despite its advancements, the JMSDF faces several challenges. Japan's pacifist constitution remains a point of contention domestically and internationally. Article 9 prohibits Japan from maintaining traditional armed forces, which critics argue the JMSDF violates in spirit. Calls to amend the constitution have sparked debates about Japan's military role in a changing global landscape. Another challenge is balancing regional security needs with economic constraints. Modern naval vessels are expensive, and Japan must carefully allocate its defense budget while maintaining its advanced capabilities. As tensions rise in the Indo-Pacific, the JMSDF continues to play a crucial role in ensuring regional stability. Japan's emphasis on a free and open Indo-Pacific aligns with its maritime strategy, focusing on protecting vital sea lanes and countering threats from North Korea and China. The JMSDF is also adapting to new forms of warfare, such as cyber and space-based threats. Collaborations with tech companies and allied nations aim to integrate artificial intelligence and advanced sensors into its naval operations. From its humble beginnings after World War II to its current status as a world-class maritime force, the JMSDF embodies Japan's ability to adapt and innovate. It has transitioned from a nation constrained by pacifism to one that actively contributes to global security. While challenges remain, the JMSDF stands as a symbol of Japan's commitment to peace, security, and technological excellence in the maritime domain.